Hitting up one of the bigger Nike outlets in SoCal. Nike Outlet Camarillo. They got some of the best deals out here. Some of the best deals in SoCal. What are they pushing right here? I've never seen clearance section right here. 30% off the back wall, it looks like. Some bigger size stuff right here. Still going for $190. I've been keeping track of these Vaporfly Next percents. Damn, dude. Nobody's buying them. Just throw them on the back wall, doggies. Come on. All right, back wall 30% off over here. These Jordan 1 UNCs did make it to the back wall, so they're going a little over $100, 140, 30% off. Jordan 2 3s down to 75. Luka 3s 100. Next gen Lakers MPLS colorway, $80. Did I say Jordan or did I say LeBron's? I don't know. Stuff just comes out of my mouth sometimes. I don't even know. $85 for these. 6 rings, $85. Flight courts, $80. Starting with the 1010 apps, by the way. Air Max 1s right here, $70. One of the doper colorways of the Jordan 4 RMs, $130 for those. $130 for the breads as well. Still ain't seen no Vomeros. Vomero Pluses. Someone returned a pair already. Everybody like them that much, they keep them. What the hell? $55 for the Air Max 1 aluminum foils. Another one of these regular price. What the hell? P6000. These have been like $45. $70. What the hell? What they talk about these Forrest Gumps? What they talk about? $80. Damn, we've seen them cheaper at the retail shops, huh? Niners colorway. Y'all know how the Niners have been doing. I know how they got so lucky on that last game. It was crazy. Can't believe they won that. But yeah, $100. So what? $70 after savings. They threw these in a Jordan box. How dare they? How dare they? Dunks 120. Decent colorway of the ones right here. $100, I believe. Yep. Yeah, no Vomeros, no pluses, no nut. God dang it. God dang it. 30% off clearance apparel as well. Got some Tech Pack pants right here. Double XL. $90 though. And Jordan fleece right here. Dang, it's already busted up. Letters are already busted. No, I'm good. We're not even gonna look at that price on that one. $80 for baseball pants. Got some regular sweats right here. $60. Got the Mamba hoodies right here. Did they have this a couple weeks ago? They had it somewhere. $60 for these. Also got them in red. Yeah, I think that's the same stuff they had 2 weeks ago, because this is the same stuff right here. 24/7 fleece right here. It's just super, super, super nice material. It does feels a little tech fleece type. Yeah, kind of feels like tech fleece. $80. Jordan jacket $75. Seems like I'm seeing the same stuff from 2 weeks ago. $68. They still got these Kobe jackets right here. Double XL, $60. Lakers, like a hockey hoodie or hockey jersey, $120 though. Dang. And then this tech fleece, guys, looks like it's tech fleece, $72. Quite a few things, 30% off. Nothing really moving me though. All right, can we find any steals in the back aisle? Back wall, obviously. But yeah, $80 for these. MVPs, $145. What the hell? Plenty of these in different sizes. I always think of the Jordan 14 logo whenever I see that. Max Auras going for $75. Really like this colorway still. Air Max 90s. I forgot to show this earlier. $75. Plenty of these in different sizes. $55. These P6000s as well. $70 still. DNs. Air Max DNs right here. $120. Too much. $110 for the 270s. Air Max. We've seen Air Max 270s on sale lately. UNC Obsidian colorway. What the hell? Of these 2 3s right here. $75. Damn you. Damn you. Happens all the time. The colorway of the Air Max DNs right here. $120 still. Lunar Roams. $60. That's a hell of a price. $42 after the savings. Dang it. That didn't work. Yeah, $45. And more of these. More dunks going for way low, $55. Holy cow. This is what I'm trying to find at a lower price, obviously. The Vaporfly Next Percent 4s right here, $270. I did forget to check the women's section. I'm gonna go check there in a few minutes, because sometimes we find some steals there. $90 for these. 13s right here, $110. Vapor Max. Air Max 1 Nike by John, $170. Yeah, these are a hell of a price at $55 or $60. Jordan 2-3 size 13. Look at this extended size price. 50 freaking bucks. Are you serious? I think these are 60 right here. Jordan 4M's going for 90. These extended size pricing is nice. Take ones right here going for 50. Pegasus if you like to run, 75. Streak flies for middle distance, $90. And look at the women's clearance section. Exact same thing over and over. This is hilarious. Holy cow. But yeah, the exact same stuff. Moving over to the bigger sizes over here, 11 and above. This is 10 and a half, but this is what I'm talking about. Extended size pricing starting at size 9 men's, 10 and a half women's, $70, and then you get an extra discount. These 6s, look at this, $60 for Jordan 6s. So $42 after the savings. Hoping to find some Vomeros or some sort of running shoes, but not really finding nothing. These Jordan 1s right here, $50. $35 for these bad boys right here, 35 bucks. 90 for these Jordan 1s right here. Pegasus 40s go for 70, and then 40 for these Pegasus right here. Holy cow. Free Metcons right here going for 50. These kind of look like Vomeros, but I believe these are like the Revolutions or something. No, these aren't the Metcons. But yeah, these are like the budget ones, like the Revolutions or something. I don't know. Got some Cortez down here, $60. These are men's 8.5. Kind of fits the Dodgers. So that's actually not bad. That's actually not bad. 60 bucks. Really good for that price. It's $35 for dunks. $35. Holy crap. And that's before the discount. So that's like 20 something bucks, like $27. All right, checking out the aisles now. This is the men's section. I'm seeing if they have any running shoes though. Nothing really. Waiting for these mother lovers to get on sale. They've been here for like a month, haven't they? God dang it. This price with 30% off, would it be worth it? Maybe. I just saw the, what were those? The Super Comp Elites. Saw them for this price. It was 50% off though. Maybe it's worth it. Maybe it's worth $100. Yeah, I guess it is. I need to start increasing my time or decreasing my time. Right now, just trying to lose weight, but I don't know. I think I might run a marathon. I don't know yet. These will definitely be the shoes to do it in. Do got Luka 2s right here, and then a bunch of the generic J's right here, the non-signature. Technically that's signature, but Westbrook, nobody really looks for Westbrook shoes, unfortunately. I'm a big fan of Westbrook, but nobody seems to like his shoes. More generics. We got some Luka 3s right here, all white. We got some Luka 4s. These look so much better than the other ones. Light cords, Jordan 4 RPMs, Chicago color, 2 3s right here. Some lows, multiple colorways. Rust pink, white, and black. Black toe SEs right here. This is a nubuck overlay on the toe guard right there. Rookie of the year for $100, so $40 under retail. Plenty of sizes, all the way up to what, 12? Looks like up to 12. Oh no, 14. This is like the food collection one. This is supposed to be like a cheeseburger or something. SEs. Got the UNC in patent leather. Guava ice. Rust pink, white, black. And the One High OG golds right here. Got LeBrons and then a bunch of the budget signature witnesses right here. Do got the Immortalities. 55 and 30 off. I don't see any extended size pricing on any of these though. More of the same here. But do got Jatus. Jatus are not the budget signatures, are a signature, but you can find them for a budget right here. Got the GT cut cross. These are some budget basketball shoes right here. More of the LeBron's next gen. That's a decent price right there. And then we got the 22s. Pegasus wave in this aisle right here. That's 55, 30 off. That's not a bad price. The Nike Cities right here, solid price, $42 after the savings. And these have gone down to $55, 30 off on top. Holy crap. If I was just buying a ton of shoes, I definitely would get these. I love these. I really like the material and stuff, but trying to chill on buying stuff, god dang it. Dang it, these go under, it was like 30 bucks, 35 bucks, something like that. Damn, dude. I got the Flight Legacies, Chicago right here. Damn, they're making me want to buy all kinds of stuff. Look at the price on these Shox R4s. I freaking love these. Like, only for more for nostalgic purposes, to be really honest. But I freaking love these. Vomero 5s right here going down, down, down in price. That's a dope colorway too. What is this? Denim Turo Pale Ivory. ISPAs, the funky link access. Dunks. Dunks for retail, what the hell? And Dunks on the discount right here. We got all the Air Max over here. Got the Air Max Plus Drift. Air Max 2017s. And a bunch of different colors. Canary blue, black obsidian. Light bone off-white. Air Max 90s, triple black. These are some gray ones right here. This is ones with the good midsole, not B grade. The B grade, they were still trying to get regular price, which is freaking hilarious. These white, is it white wolf gray? USA colorway, black and white. Air Max 1s, University Red. Air Max 270s right here. That might be one of the cheapest we've ever seen it. Then we got some DNs right here. I do got some New Balances on 574s. Freaking love these, man. Suede. I think I paid retail for these bad boys, man, which just never happens. But yeah, I love these 574s. And then I did come in from work, so wearing some dress pants, some slacks, as well as a polo shirt. Business casual, is that what they say? Yeah, as I showed earlier, like women's section, pretty much 5 pairs of shoes, and they're all the exact same in all the sizes. Got a ton of these Dunks, so many different sizes, 55 bucks, unless you get the extended size, they're way cheap. LD 1000s, 45. Invincible Runs, 130. Seen these in a bunch of different sizes, $80. Jordan 1 Satin Shadow, 130. We come to the bigger sizes, the exact same stuff. Look at this, exact same stuff. I'm so sad I wasn't able to find any running shoes. Come on, man, throw some Vomero Pluses. Something. I'll take some Vomero Supremes. Did I say Vomero Supremes? I'm like making up stuff. Vomero Premiums, I'll take some of those. But yeah, nothing crazy. But yeah, and the extended size stuff, this is just crazy. 60. And yeah, what was this? $35 before the discount. That is crazy. And then in the women's house, got some Jordans. The low SE right here. Okay, the first one was a OG, so never mind. But yeah, I do got some pretty decent colorways. What's this? Aluminum right here. Sail Igloo and some 4RMs in multiple colorways. And all kinds of Dunks in black and white. Coconut milk. Cacao. Wow, what the hell? Elemental pink dark pony. Sail Team Gold. Sail. 3 other colorways. Blue tint. Some suede bad boys right here. They got the women's Cortez up to size 10. And one more Dunk right there. It's an Air Max 270s. And then I think that's about it, you guys. And then of course checking the running shoes over here, seeing if they got anything. Not really. I was gonna check the size 10, 10 and a half again. I realized I forgot the smaller sizes for the men's. My bad, you guys, my bad. 8 and a half. There's some of these. Look at the Vomero Roams right here. Holy cow, $55. $55.30 off, so that's under 40 freaking bucks. Really? Then of course more of these. $140 for these Jordan 1 Rare Airs. Got them in size 8 as well. Monopoly colorway of the LeBrons right here, $100. I remember seeing these in the aisle like a month ago. These are SB Dunks, $80. Looks like size 9 more the same. More the same. Saw the Flight Courts right there. Saw the Air Max Plus in different sizes. Luca 3s right here, $100. Packers colorway, $155. The Pegasus 41s. $85 for the camo Air Max 1s. Pretty cool trip. We did see those Dunks go for crazy cheap in the women's. Make sure you guys check the women's extended sizes. Check the men's extended sizes if that's your size as well. They got all kinds of good stuff. I think we're out, you guys. I think we're out, man. Gonna head out to some more spots, I guess, this week, because I don't really have any other videos. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what we can find, you guys.